In this video, we will install the coolant tank. Install the bolts and spacers from the K22P bag on the mount on the driver's shoulder bar. Place the coolant tank mount on the bolts. Put a washer and nylock nut on each bolt. Use 9/16 tools to tighten the hardware to 33 foot-pounds. Place the donor coolant tank into the mount. Hook the spring from the K22P bag into the mount and loop it over the tank. Using pliers, hook the other end of the spring into the front of the mount. Check for a coolant level sensor in the bottom of the tank. If you have one, find the plug in the harness and connect it to the sensor. On turbocharged builds, connect the coolant supply hose to the T between the cylinder head and fuse box. Use a donor clamp to secure it. On non-turbocharged builds, connect the supply hose to the inlet on top of the thermostat housing. Route the supply hose to the outlet of the coolant tank. Cut the hose where it meets the tank. Connect the hose to the tank with a donor clamp. Cut the return hose where it meets the coolant tank. Connect the hose to the tank with a donor clamp.